Hey planners, welcome back to the channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks for stopping by for another video. Today's video is a fun one. I have my Simply Gilded orders. One of them is a mystery bag, so if you want to check out this video, then keep on watching. All right, I'm so excited to share with you guys. I mentioned these in my collective planner haul that I was waiting on my Simply Gilded packages. They finally came in. So one of them, I ordered something that I really wanted to try out. It was something interesting that Irene posted on her Insta stories, and it is part of the collection I'm trying to buy, like the set. So I'll share that. And then also here is a mystery bag. So if you guys are familiar, she does like mystery grab bags and grab boxes. I opted for a bag, and there was a pink, yellow, and then winter blue. So this one came with a pouch, so that's why I wanted to get this one. I have already opened both of these packages, but I thought I'd share with you guys in case you were curious about Simply Gilded's mystery bags. So this beautiful, she calls it a pad folio, I believe, and I have been eyeing this forever. It retails for $27. I think it's the sale price though. And you guys know, if you've been watching my videos, that I have the sticker album that matches it, and this is the large one. There is a mini one that hopefully I will get as well, so that way I could have the full collection, because this is my favorite print. Like, this by far is my favorite print she's ever done. She has lots of colors that these albums come in. I think the pad folios are limited, but I think she mentioned she may come out with more this year, just depending on, you know, whoever loves them. I love it because let me share with you guys what it does. This came in that box, a Simply Gilded subscription box. I believe it was June, but how pretty is this? So it's a pad folio, like cover case. It's vegan leather and it's super soft. You do get your D-rings, and it still snaps like this. If you've seen this subscription unboxing, you probably have seen this. And then I ordered a list pad to go in it. So that's what's called a pad folio. And this is supposed to, it's designed for this to go in here. So you can have it in here because it has this huge flexible pocket. And then the flap here, it has a pin loop, or I'm gonna go ahead and open this. This is the white one. There was a ombre, same type of print on the paper. Hopefully she'll bring it back, but it was completely sold out. So, I mean, white's good because I like white. You could add any color to it, so I think it'll match really well. I think I prefer white or something light and not like dark colored paper. So it does have light gold foiling and super pretty. So it's just a list pad. And you have these vertical boxes here. And what I saw was she uses perforated the perforated washi that she sells. You can take these, the days of the week, and place them on the list pad, and you can organize your week that way. I love this. I thought this was fun, something different to use, you know, as a planner. I'm always looking for something new to try out, to see what works, to just organize my schedule or to get everything that I need done. I don't know. I just think this is cute. I think this would be perfect for work days, or like if you go on a retreat and you need to get all your creative thoughts down, you can separate it out in this cute, you know, pad here. And I love that the idea of the perforated washi. It's a great way to use up your washi. You could definitely just cut up washi that you already have if you don't have like the perforated. But how fun is that? So I did order one washi because I do want to collect these. I don't have too many. So I thought that was cool because she has, let me see, I have another from her. that's perforated, and it's great for functional planning because it has, oh, where's the little, I forgot if it's called Task, what the name of the washi is, but I'll put it in the description box down below. But for example, this one has Bill Do. And the tricky thing is, though, they're all different, so it would be kind of hard to figure out which one that you want. You'd have to, like, I don't know, probably take it apart and put it on wax paper or something. Yeah, I think this would have been great if it was just a couple and you knew it was on here, but they're all completely different. Urgent this week to pay, home. So maybe if there was like a list or an image on her website that had the list of these. I don't know, if you have this and you have ideas on how to use this with knowing which one to use, would be awesome. Yeah, so you could put these on here, bills due, and you have this box here so you could put the month or the week on there, but that's just an example. So I don't know, I think it's fun. I really wanted to pick this up. Okay, so it does have this other pocket here, and then this see-through heart pocket that has like this window here, and it's a pretty thick vinyl window. And if you're curious to know if you could put a happy planner in here, because that's what I use, let me get, so this is my Skinny Classic, it's my content planner, but I do have this on classic disc, so it may be too big, too wide. Yeah, that doesn't fit. I have, this is my grocery notes lists journal. It's still Skinny Classic, but it has the original mini disc on there. Yeah, it's just, it's not designed for a disc planner. Let me see. This is a Happy Planner sticker book, accessory book. So you could actually, if you have the list pad, you can actually bring some stickers to put in there. If you have Happy Planner stickers, I'm pretty sure they're the same. Yeah, height. What else? Oh, maybe a mini. Let's see what I have in here. Okay, so this is a mini. This is my old mini Happy Planner from 2019. I mean, it's probably going to be the same thing where I can't close it, but I'm going to keep it like this and see. Okay, so you could do that if you don't put in the back part of the planner. If you don't do this, wait, let's see. Well, I guess you could, but it gives you that wonky closure. I don't think I would do that, but I probably wouldn't mind it like this because it seems a little bit okay. It's not gonna fall out. So that's cute. I'm pretty sure you could probably put in her journals that comes in her subscription boxes. I have one here. I'm waiting for the February one. I haven't received it yet. So when I get that box, I'll definitely do an unboxing. That fits. Yeah, so I think this is cute. You could put so much in here. You just gotta play with it. But I love the fact that I can put a Happy Planner sticker book in there. No, that probably wouldn't work. Okay, I'm gonna stop playing with this, but hopefully you guys got some ideas on this. It's really cool. I love it. I love the idea of it. Okay, again, you get a pin loop and everything. It's so cute. I can't wait to play with this more. Okay, so the washi that I got, I'm just gonna put it right there. All right, so again, with every order, you get a journaling card, and I got one from the Valentine's release. I got a different one, yay. And then I got some freebie stickers, a sampler, and this pretty bow with the rose gold. Oh, that's so pretty. And then here's the freebie sampler. You have a box, a checklist, and the little icons, little deco stickers. And then here's the journaling card. So cute. And then the one washi that I ordered was in this mint color. So here's the washi. The days of the week, and then the little hearts, and it is perforated, so I can use it in that list pad. This washi is so soft, but I thought that matches perfectly. So that is my order. So now let's unbox the mystery bag. Here is the mystery bag item, and I believe it was called Winter Blues, and it came in this this blue envelope. I couldn't think of the word. And the hardware is a little bit, it's silver, but it seems a little darker. And this pouch is pretty thin. It's pretty thin and light. It's not as heavy as her sticker albums. And it does have a D-ring. I think that's what you call it. The little ring here to put a charm on. Okay. So I haven't taken anything out of here, but obviously I can see what's inside. So I thought I would share with you guys what you get. And I think I paid $32 for this mystery bag. It's just random blue washi. Okay. I love these plastic bags. Could totally reuse these. That's a lot of washi. Fun. Okay. So I did get some sticky notes. This matches the pen I bought. It was with that subscription kit. I think it was called Enchanted or something. But those are pretty. Sticky notes. Okay, so I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my gosh. 8, 9. Oh, I got this whole set right here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Hopefully I counted that right. But it's a mixture of blue washi, light gold, or maybe rose gold and silver. Okay, here's the first stack because that's going to be hard to hold that all at once. So I have a mixture of like winter theme, and then I could totally use like this set here throughout the year. This one has little snowflakes on it. This is nautical. Interesting. So that's that set. And here's this one. So I love the fact also in this mystery bag that I got a mixture of bows and printed and not just all the bow themed. This one is like a snowy scenery and it has hollow on the little houses. That's cool. Very pretty. Like this one is lined, the line bows that she has. I don't know if I'm saying that right or what she names her collections. So yeah, I got some mix in here. Different shades of blue. This one's really pretty with the deers. Awesome. And then I got this journaling card with a swan on it. Maybe it was in a subscription box from last year. I want to know if this was in a subscription box last year. Was this part of the masterpiece one? I'm just curious. But yeah, the inside is plain with like, I forget what this cloth is called, but really great to do some quick packing of planner pens or washi or anything on the go. I like these. This is very useful. So that was the mystery bag item for Simply Gilded. It was called Winter Blues, I believe. But I love everything in it. I could swatch the back of this card, so let me quickly do that. Okay, so I finally got everything swatched out. That took a hot minute. Super cute. It is a mixture of like, I think winter, maybe this was in a winter release. And then I thought this one here was snow, but it's little stars and hearts. So it could have been like a summer release with nautical or maybe a patriotic or 4th of July. I'm just totally guessing, guys. I'm not really sure, but those are the vibes that I get. I do love the foil detail in this one here, and then this one with the line bows is a blue foiling. It's so pretty. The pink and this lighter tan color kind of matches this print here, but super pretty. Yeah, pretty happy with all these. They're super gorgeous. Again, the foiling is just amazing on this washi. So pretty. Let me show you guys a close-up. So that was my Simply Gilded order. I love everything. Totally love Simply Gilded this year. And hope you guys enjoyed this little video. So definitely give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Take care and happy planning. Bye.